Good day, Daniel here from Project Portfolio Office, here to share one of our new enhancements to our homepage, namely the sharing of your homepage. Now you might be aware that your homepage is comprised of multiple tabs, each tab having a canvas where you can configure multiple widgets. You could have configured a homepage tab that you would like to share with one of your colleagues or another user on your instance. You can now do so by highlighting the homepage tab and then clicking on the share button that we've added in the top right hand corner. When clicking on the share button, this allows me to select what user I would like to share it with, and I can simply say share. Once the share has been completed, the user will receive the homepage as a new homepage tab on their homepage. We hope you enjoy the new enhancement that we made. And if you're feeling a little bit left out with all the enhancements or features, you can simply navigate to our website, goatsppo.com, and fill in your details to subscribe to the blog. That way you don't miss out on a new feature enhancements. It's right in your mailbox every week. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.